Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks. Alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel, we're going to take you on another full self-drive 11.4.7 aerial perspective video. I realize I got to turn this down. There we go. Not today. Jesus. Not today.
Yeah, it's our doorbell.
I believe so. I said, not today, Jesus. It is getting better at roundabouts.
Yeah. There's just certain roundabouts for some reason it has a harder time with.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't have to stop.
I always think it's funny how that intersection has a bump, and if you go full speed over it, it's kind of like being on a roller coaster where you're like, wee!
Wee! I know.
Let's get another spot right in there.
I actually don't think that was our doorbell because it would have come up out mine too. Yeah, someone's shoe is in the road.
Let's see if I can look fast enough.
Here we go.
Oh, dear God. Nope.
We'll look when we stop. No. I did that yesterday.
Yeah, it did.
The exact same spot, which means it's going to want to come over into that left turn lane up here.
Yep. Hey, I'll be able to capture it a little bit better today, though,
That's true.
because I'm prepared for it.
You know, I do appreciate that it's predictable in some areas that
Yes.
I know. I'm like, hey, I know it does this
I know it
during this
probably-
build in this
I
area.
know we're probably going to have an issue with this.
Yeah. And it doesn't always do it in every build that you get,
Yeah.
right? Like you'll get an update and suddenly that goes away, but then something else pops up.
Then you'll have
Like a
something
game
else
of
you're dealing
whack-a-mole.
with. Well, remember what Elon said, 2 steps forward, 1 step back.
But I have to be honest, it's a hell of a lot better than when it first started, because you and I would never have done this.
Oh, God, no. God, no. I would have never been comfortable filming YouTube videos with it. It's smooth enough now that I would recommend it to friends.
All right, so here we go. Yep, here we go.
There it goes, yeah. Dives
It
into
did
the
it
left.
earlier a little this time.
Dives into that left lane, and then as soon as Doggone Sci-Fi re-engages, it won't dive into these ones up here. It's very strange.
Just that one.
Just that one. It's not as windy today.
Well, that's good. It actually is, but I think the wind might be with you. Because I just saw the flags. The flags are all moving. What?
This song.
Did you and I both start singing?
Yes.
I thought it was a different song, and then I looked down, and I was like, oh,
Oh, no.
a great song.
Indeed.
Ooh, let's see if it does. It did try to take the left up here, remember? And we were like,
Mm.
that's not our turn.
Yeah. The other day when we were driving this.
Yeah, yesterday.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, there it is.
Oh, it fixed itself. Okay. Yesterday I had to fix it.
Interesting.
I actually didn't know that was the name of the song. Like, I didn't know what the name of the song was. I just enjoyed it.
I actually didn't know the name of the song either.
Oh, a little fire out here. Alright, don't forget the high power line.
I see.
See, I wanted to turn there too. Now we're getting in the right lane, so we're gonna remind it to stay in this lane.
It's having some difficulty today.
There we go. We're gonna go 35, okay.
So I said it's having some difficulties
I'm
today.
kind of glad we're filming because this is some of the stuff we talk about. That you just have
Some-
these days where you're like, oh,
We just have these days where we're like, what in the heck happened? You were doing so good a day or so ago.
and then it takes turns really well, and you're like, oh, okay, that
All right,
worked.
that worked. That's not broken.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's taking the correct turn today too. I appreciate that.
May have dropped a pin better
Fair.
on that one.
Okay, but we're getting the left turn lane way too early, so no. If we were turning there, yes, that would have been an appropriate move. But we're turning it way up here.
Well, you guys, thanks again for tuning in. I'm Gray Shutdown on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another full self-drive aerial perspective. If you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps the crazy YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it.